I'm David Parle. I'm the Regional Director for Northrop Grumman Space, covering the UK and the European region. And my role really is to link up our teams in the US with Northrop Grumman Space, with our customers and our key suppliers and collaborators. One of my sort of big role focuses is to develop our business internationally, and particularly in the UK. So we got together with Josh and the team at Space Forge a couple of years ago and started to think about how we could collaborate. I think the aims really are really to make both of us even better. Space Forge has grown massively in the last couple of years. Northrop Grumman continues to grow across all of our sectors. And we think there's a clear case for both of us to collaborate and to really be more successful in our markets and deliver things to our customers on a more affordable basis, higher performance, and hopefully faster as well. We've seen with DTEP and across wider government the push for space strategy, building this business, also across aerospace and defence, but particularly in space. And the collaboration between a large prime contractor that we are certainly in the US, and we're 1,000 people in the UK, with a small medium enterprise is just exactly what the government want, we believe. So I think collaborating between us, public and private sector, is exactly what the government wants and is the way for the future. I mean, over the last few decades, we've seen semiconductors just go everywhere in absolutely all the products we use. As Northrop Grumman, as a major defence and aerospace prime contractor, we build a lot of electronic components, a lot of systems, most of which have semiconductors in. A lot of those we buy in, but we also develop our own semiconductors, and we have our own foundries in the US, where we take silicon or other semiconductor material and build our own components. And through the collaboration with Space Forge, we can build faster, more powerful semiconductors which need less cooling, which can deliver better products to our customers. So the collaboration with Space Forge is growing on a monthly basis. As Josh and the team go forward with building their next launch mission, we're keen to support as much as we possibly can. And I think it's a case of seeing where we all go. We're just really excited to see those first pieces of wafer come down from space, and we can start characterizing those in our foundries and then really take the next jumps from there. So yeah, it's accelerating all the time at the moment. It's great.